Hello and welcome to today's video where we're going to be discussing the power of smoothies for weight loss. Smoothies are a delicious and convenient way to pack in a lot of nutrients into one meal, making them an excellent tool for weight loss. So, let's dive in and see how smoothies can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Control portion sizes. One of the biggest challenges of losing weight is controlling portion sizes. Smoothies are a great way to control portion sizes, as you can pack in a lot of nutrients into one meal. By drinking a smoothie for breakfast or lunch, you can reduce the amount of food you eat later in the day, making it easier to control your calorie intake. Boosts metabolism. Smoothies are a great way to boost your metabolism. They are often packed with ingredients that are high in fiber and protein, both of which help to boost metabolism and keep you feeling full for longer. Promotes weight loss. Smoothies are a convenient way to pack in a lot of nutrients into one meal, making them an excellent tool for weight loss. They can help you achieve your weight loss goals by providing the body with the nutrients it needs while reducing calorie intake. Helps to detoxify the body. Smoothies are often made with ingredients that are high in antioxidants and vitamins, making them an effective way to detoxify the body. They can help to flush out toxins, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting weight loss. Increases energy. Smoothies are often made with ingredients that are high in vitamins and minerals, making them a great way to increase energy levels. They can help to reduce fatigue and improve focus, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. In conclusion, smoothies are a powerful weight loss weapon. They are a convenient and delicious way to pack in a lot of nutrients into one meal, making them an excellent tool for weight loss. They can help to control portion sizes, boost metabolism, promote weight loss, detoxify the body, and increase energy levels. So, if you're looking for a convenient and effective way to achieve your weight loss goals, consider adding smoothies to your diet. That's it for today's video on the power of smoothies for weight loss. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.